Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas has announced its Spring 2025 catalog. To guarantee delivery of items in this catalog, pre-order with your local Atlas retailer no later than June 27, 2025. First up is this all-new Wabtec ET44AC diesel locomotive with Protosound 3. Models are available decorated for BNSF, BC Rail, EJ&E, CPKC, CSX, Norfolk Southern, and Union Pacific. Each road name is available in 2 different cab numbers with a suggested retail price of $799.95. Next, Atlas has announced new paint schemes for its premier EMD SD40-2 diesel with Protosound 3. New schemes include BNSF, Canadian Pacific, CSX, Conrail, Susquehanna, Norfolk Southern, and Santa Fe. These models will be available in 2 road numbers each. In addition, Atlas has announced 2 limited edition SD40-2 models, one decorated for Susquehanna and the other for Blue Mountain and Reading. All models have a suggested list price of $749.95. Next up is an all-new EMD E6 powered A-unit diesel locomotive in Baltimore and Ohio, Illinois Central, Milwaukee Road, Union Pacific, Norfolk and Western Atlantic Coastline Patch, Atlantic Coastline, and New York Central. These models are available in 2 road numbers each and have a suggested retail price of $699.95. Non-powered E6B models are also available in Baltimore and Ohio, Union Pacific by War Bonds, NNW Atlantic Coastline Patch, Atlantic Coastline, and New York Central. These models have a suggested retail price of $349.95 each. Atlas is also producing a series of streamlined passenger cars in several configurations and all new road names. Cars will be available as 4-car sets, 2-car sets, and as individual cars. Individual road names include Atlantic Coastline, Baltimore and Ohio, Canadian National, Illinois Central, Milwaukee Road, and Union Pacific. 4-car sets are priced at $579.95, 2-car sets are $289.95, and individual cars are priced at $144.95. New color schemes are available for Atlas's 40-foot PS1 boxcars, including Akron, Canton, and Youngstown, Archer Daniels Midland, Green Bay and Western, Monon, New York Central, and Union Pacific. These cars have a suggested retail price of $99.95 each. The PS1 cars are also available in Halloween and Christmas limited edition colors with LED lights for $119.95 each. The Atlas Masterline Trinity 5061 covered hoppers will be available in new paint schemes, including the ADM Leaf logo, CSX Great Express, GATX Blue, GACX Potash, TILX, and new numbers for Norfolk Southern. Each of the cars will be available in 4 different road numbers for $119.95 each. The Atlas Masterline 89-foot 4-inch flat cars will also be available in new paint schemes, including BNSF, TTX, Beryllion and Forest Junction, Main Central, and TTAX. These cars are available in 4 road numbers each and have a suggested retail price of $144.95. The Atlas Trainman line also features new color schemes on its bulkhead flat cars, short bulkhead cars, and 68-foot flat cars. Full-size bulkhead cars are available in new color schemes for Ashley Druin Northern, Procore, and TTX forward thinking, plus new road numbers for TTX and Union Pacific. These cars will be available in 2 road numbers each for $74.95. Short bulkhead cars are available in new numbers for Cotton Belt and TTJX for $74.95 each, and new 68-foot flat cars include TTMX and Department of Defense for $68.95 each. For your piggyback operations, Atlas is offering new Pines 45-foot trailers decorated for Montgomery Ward, National Piggyback Service, GLKX, Neshannock Trailer Service, Norfolk and Western, and Southern Pacific. The trailers will be available in 2 unique numbers each and have a suggested retail price of $39.95 each. Atlas has also expanded its offering of James E. Strait Shows items, including new 4-car passenger sets for $599.95, a 2-car coach set for $299.95, a 2-car sleeper set for $299.95, and 4 different flat car with piggyback trailer sets for $219.95 each, or $859.80 for all 4. Available exclusively to Atlas Golden Spike Club members are this Norfolk Southern Honoring Our Veterans covered hopper for $96.95 plus club membership, and this Union Pacific Dome car for $139.95 plus club membership. And available now at Atlas retailers are new and improved Atlas turntables, the Atlas signal system, track, structures, and more. See your local Atlas retailer for pricing. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 O-Gauge Rail King PS2 discharge hopper car in 6 road names this fall, including AGP, CSX, Norfolk Southern, RJ Corman, BNSF, and Union Pacific Red, White, and Blue. Each scheme will be available in single car and 3-car set configurations and will be limited in production and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in November 2025. Individual cars are priced at $69.95 each or $194.95 for the 3-car sets. MTH Electric Trains has announced a number of custom-run Premier 462 USRA Heavy Pacific steam locomotives for several retailers. Included among these are an Illinois Central locomotive and one decorated for Burlington, both exclusively for Berwyn's Toys and Trains, with early order prices of $1329.99 each. Another example is a Duluth South Shore and Atlantic steamer exclusively for Patrick's Trains, with an early order price of $1374.99. And still another is decorated for Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern for Mr. Muffin's Trains, with an early order price of $1259.96. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.